Hi Sonia. So I was going through this issue, and my observation here is in add appointment type page, if you just add type and duration and then try to escape this page, this message is displayed, which is fine. I'll stay on this page, and if I remove this default duration and type, and now if I try to navigate to some other page, it is going back. So this is happening only if we select the other options apart from type and default duration. So type and default duration we have, but if we select any other checkbox, for example, if I select this checkbox, stay on this page, and now if I bring form in its original state, it's still working. Then it must be with the checkbox. This, if I go to the other page, now if I uncheck this, I'll bring this form in its original state and we'll go back. Now it is showing message. So this is, I think, happening with this particular checkboxes. Send reminder to external attendees and send reminder to internal attendees, and maybe with the icons also. So you just confirm this, narrow it down so that the issue will be clear to the developer. Thank you. And yeah, you can report it once you get once you confirm this, you can report it in current sprint. Thank you.